Okay, so 1 multiplied by -1 is -1. 2 multiplied by 5, it will be +10. And then plus 1 multiplied by 4, it will be 4. So this will give us what? To be 14 minus 1, which will be 13. Okay, so determinant of dx, we have found it to be what? 13. Okay, so now we move to find the determinant of what? dy. And then we also do the same for the dx there. For the dz, I mean. Okay, so dy was given by this matrix. Okay, was given by this matrix 1, 2, 1, and 1 minus 1, 3. Okay, and then we had 1 minus 1. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Did I just find for dy? Okay, where was this? Oh, no, it's just fine. Okay, so now we're finding for dy. So I have 1 minus 1, 3, which was on the side of the answers in the second column now. And then here I have 2 like this. Okay, so let's find the determinant of this. So determinant of this guy, we are following the same procedure, guys, is equals to 1. Okay, what happens when I cancel this and I cancel this? I remain with -1, -1, 3, 3, 2. Okay, then when I cancel this and I cancel this, I'll get -1 here. Okay, remember I have plus, minus, plus. So this is the -1 I've written here. So if I cancel this column, cancel this row, I'm going to remain with 2, 1, -1, 2, and then plus 1. Okay, if I cancel this column, cancel this row, I'm going to remain with 2, 1, -1, 3. Okay, so let's simplify this to get the determinant. So 1, this will be -2 minus -3. So this will be the same as +3. And then I have -1. 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 4 minus -1. So this will be the same as +1, +1. And then 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6 minus -1. So it will be +1, like that. Okay, so from here, what we get 1, 1 in the brackets, -1, 5, +1, and then 7 here. Okay, so from here, we see that we are going to get 1 minus 5 plus what? 7. So what do you get from this? So this will be -4 plus 7. So we're going to get what? 3. Okay, so the determinant of dy is what? 3. Okay, so we are remaining with one determinant, and then we can find our values. So the dz matrix was given by this, was given by 1, 2, 1, -2, -1, 1, and then we have 1, -1, 3. Hey, how did the 3 go up there? Okay, so let's find the determinant of this again. So determinant of dz is equals to 1. Okay, remember we have a 1, a plus, minus, plus. So we have 1 here. When I cancel this, I cancel this. What am I going to remain with? -1, -1, 1, 3. and then I have -2. Okay, if I cancel this, what am I going to remain with? I'm going to remain with 2, 1, -1, 3. Okay, plus 1. So if I cancel this and I cancel that, I'm going to remain with what? 2, 1, -1, 1. So that is what I have. So let's find the determinant of this guy now. So this will be equals to 1. So this will be -1 multiplied by 3. It will be -3. then minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. So that minus multiplied by this minus becomes a plus 1. Okay, this minus and that minus becomes a plus 2. Then here we have 6 minus 1. So it will be plus 1. And then plus 1. Then here we have 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. Then minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. That minus 1 multiplied by this minus to be plus what? 1. So this is what we have. So we are going to have what? We're going to have 1 minus 2 plus 2 and then 7 and then plus 1 and then 3. Okay, so from here we are going to have minus 2 plus 14 plus 3. Okay, so what do we get here? We get 14 minus 2 to be 12. 12 plus 3 to be what? 15. Okay, so this is the determinant of what? dz. Okay, so now we have all these determinants, we can find our answer. So remember the determinant of d, okay, determinant of d was 12. And then determinant of dx, okay, was what? Let's check, I've forgotten. Determinant of dx was 13. This one was 3. Then this one has been 15. So this was 13. Then determinant of dy was 3. And then determinant of dz was what? 15. So how are we going to find the value of x? So for x, you divide the determinant of dx over determinant of d. Okay, so determinant of dx will be 13 over determinant of d, which is 12. Then for y, it will be equals to determinant of dy, which is 3, over the determinant of d, which is what? 12. And then z to be the determinant of dz, which is 15, over the determinant of what? D. So this here will be our 3 answers. Okay, if you want, you can reduce them. So this will be 1 over 12. And then the y, it will be 1 over 4. And then the z, it will be what? 5 over 4, which is the same as 1 over 4. Okay, so this is how you find or solve the system of equations using the Crammers rule. Okay, you have to come up with matrices, and then using those matrices, you come up with the determinants. Okay, and then for you to find the x, you just divide the determinant of dx over the determinant of the d. For y, the determinant of the y over the determinant of the d. For z, the determinant of dz over the determinant of what? D. Okay, so any questions there? Okay, if there are no questions, then I'll end the class here. I just wanted you guys, I just want to show you how to find the inverse and how to use the Crammers rule. Okay, so if there are no questions, have a blessed night and all the best in your tests tomorrow.